Hello everybody, so today I will talk about statistics. The topic today is about normal distribution. So now I will show you how to answer. Calculate the value of the constant A in a normal distribution with a mean of 4 and a standard deviation of 2. So we need to find the value of A in here. So we know that the mean that's about mu equal to number 4. But on the question they just provide number 4 and number 4 in here. That means they want to find this value A in here. For example, we have the normal distribution and we know that this one is about the mean. So this is about number 4. So we have same A and A in here. That means they want to find the value on the left and on the right. Here is about negative A with number 4. Here is about positive A plus number 4. So in this situation, I will find about 2B from 0 to S and from S to 4 plus A. Because this area on the right is equal the area on the left, that's why I will put number 2 in here, equals to this one. So if we divide both sides by number 2, we will have about 0.2967. Now we need to use the table in here. I will find this area on the right and we need to find the P with 0.2967. If we look carefully about this one, that's about this number in here. This is very close to this number we need to find. And if we look on the table and we will see that we can find about the Z in here. We combine two numbers and we can see that Z equal to 0.83. So we need to find about Z equal to 0.83. And now we have the formula of Z. That's about A minus mu over sigma. So we have 0.83 we put in here. Mu, that's about the mean. That's about we have number 4. We put number 4 in here. The sigma, that's about standard deviation. We have standard deviation is about number 2. So we put number 2 in here. And now we can find the value of A. That should be about Z 0.83 multiplied by number 2. That's about standard deviation. And the mu we put on the left, you will have the positive. And we put number 4 in here. So we put this number in calculator and we got the final answer. That's about 5.66. But they want to find the value A in here. And we know we have number 4. So in this situation, I think I need to change this one into B. So we know that B equals to 4 plus A. Because this is about the value of B in here. At 5.66. So we got 4 plus A equal to B. So we put the value of B in here. And then we put number 4 on the left. And this one we have 1.66. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.